Welcome back, guys, to our channel. And today we are looking at the new 2020 triple threads. So there's two boxes in here, each one containing one autograph and one relic card. I've seen a couple breaks of these and it looks like a great product so far. So we'll see what we get. Hopefully we get some Yankees, some autographs. And let's see it. Let's start breaking this open. Hope that not cut through. So here's the two boxes. Let's go with this one first. So Yankees actually just lost today, so hopefully I can get some Yankee stuff to make up for it. Here we are. So I think there was two base in the back. So here we have Brooks Robinson out of 199. See if you could. There you go, that's better. We have a Mike Schmidt out of 275. Then we have a base Joey Votto. Oh, Luis Roberts are always a good card to get. Rookie card, Luis Roberts. We have an Anthony Rendon. And our first card, future phenom Kevin Newman. Wow, that's a nice looking card, and that's a 1 of 1. That is a 1 of 1.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody just calm down.
I don't know if you can see that. Oh, zoom in. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but that is a 1 of 1 Kevin Newman. Holy cow. 3 patch and 3 color auto. Holy cow. Right there, 1 of 1, right there. Wow, let's get that sleeved up right away. What the heck? Oh man. What? I think we need this one too. No, it's too thick. Is that too thin now? That one's too thin. This one's too thick, but might as well go for the thicker one so we don't damage it. But that's a 1 of 1. Holy cow. And our last one is a Rafael Devers. And that's on 18. That looks nice. Wow, great first box. Wow. See what the second box has. See here. So let's bring the back two to the front again. So here we have a nice Jacob deGrom, Cy Young winner out of 199. Ichiro out of 275. We have a Shohei. Nice Juan Soto. And a Randy Johnson base. So let's see what we have here. We have, oh, wrong way again. We have Giancarlo Stanton, a Yankee. We have a Yankee here. Wow, that's a nice charge. What does it say? Charge out of Oh, charge out of the gate. Wow, that's a nice card. That's out of 18 as well. And last card is a Shogo Akiyama RPA out of 99. Wow, that was a great break. I got a Yankee, got a couple cards, and we got a nice one of one here. Nice one of one. So Triple Threads is really good. I really like this product. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video and to our channel, and stay tuned for more pack breaks.